Conversations with the American Farm Bureau Federation regarding the advantages of a live online national parcel layer being used by various state farm bureaus, including insurance and financial loan services, has resulted in this video. It is being deployed to State Farm Bureau staffers so that you can become familiar with the potential dividends that national parcel layer content services can bring to your organization. My name is Dennis Klein, founder of BSI. With 40 years on the front lines of GIS development, please forgive some of the following statements being a bit off the mark, having 0 years in the farming business. Parcel Atlas was the first national parcel layer commercially offered to market starting almost 20 years ago. Since then, Environmental Systems Research Institute, ESRI, granted Parcel Atlas an exclusive as the only national parcel layer in ArcGIS Online. To promote Parcel Atlas, ESRI honored BSI by showcasing it as an article in Arc News, ESRI's prestigious magazine. A singular advantage is that Parcel Atlas is inside ESRI's ArcGIS Online, whereas all other NPL services are outside, needing expensive and cumbersome interfaces. Parcel Atlas sidesteps this problem by being totally integrated. This presents a fundamental ability to mix and match living atlas layers on a point-and-shoot basis by novice GIS users or even those with no prior GIS experience. Just as important, since the content is true online shapefile content, one-off, highly sophisticated analysis is limited only by the user's working knowledge of ArcGIS Pro, the emerging workhorse of the GIS industry. With only 150 counties left for which data is not available or prohibitively expensive, Parcel Atlas now weighs in at 3,000 counties, 142 million parcels, containing 99% of the population. Here you see the many attributes linked to every parcel. The attribute density is high, being from Quantarium, a third-party supplier, updated on a quarterly basis. In our ongoing effort to keep all boundaries current to within a year, owner information can be as current as today if the county boundaries are updated today. Now let's discuss the value add that Parcel Atlas inside ArcGIS Online can bring to your State Farm Bureau organizations. In the following case study, you will see many different living atlas layers that have been easily superimposed on the parcel layer, enabling vastly expanded due diligence ranging from assessing a loan application to setting an insurance policy premium price and beyond. The first of many living atlas layers considered is that often pesky spatial factor easements. Living Atlas includes a wide variety of easement and other restriction overlays encumbering the use of a property. Here is Living Atlas Wetlands Map with the same scale and legend and resolution applied to the entire United States. Before we go to the next layer, let's discuss the commercial grade property records linked to every parcel. Though there's improvement value shown here, it is not a house since there's no bedrooms or baths. Each record is rich in ownership information being sourced direct from the counties or third party if direct sourcing is not available. The property record contains both assessed values and recent sales date and price information in reporting states. Finally, a new development is Global Parcel ID, or GPID, industry's first long overdue, persistent, universally unique APN assigned to every parcel boundary for permanent, dependable linking of textual information such as loan and insurance documents forever within the confines of a specific parcel boundary. PID is composed of a lat-long value of a point well within the parcel, amended with pointers to multiple records when there is more than one owner. We expect this text string to get a bit longer as it's processed by the Open Geospatial Data Consortium as an international standard. Here you see an example of two more Living Atlas factor maps pertinent to valuing an agricultural property. First is soil category at the county level and a sample of a selected area within Abbeville County, South Carolina. Likewise, flood risk is depicted. Here is an instant retrieval of slope category information extracted from a living atlas layer of the entire USA within the same local area as before. Likewise, forest canopy is depicted. This is just one of a fistful of land cover characteristics within the living atlas repertoire for you to choose from on a point-and-shoot basis. Seen here is a demonstration of how Parcel Atlas's nationally normalized land use characteristics can be used to depict land use patterns at the county or local level. Such patterns can prove invaluable for assessing acceptability of offensive agricultural uses, such as large feedlots, relative to surrounding urban uses. Below that is a relative value map created by first using use codes to isolate only agricultural lands. This was followed by dividing the assessed value of each parcel by the parcel's area to generate an interesting thematic map depending the spatial distribution of relative land value in dollars per acre. BSI is pleased to have had this opportunity to communicate the benefits and advantages that Parcel Atlas will bring to your operations by tremendously and easily broadening and enhancing all your due diligence operations. If you're interested, visit our website, go to our quote page for a negotiable statewide price. Give us a call at 415-381-1750. We would greatly appreciate a chance to provide answers to your questions regarding the National Parcel Layer technology in general and the virtues of Parcel Atlas in particular to maximize your ability to meet the requirements of your vital mission to optimize our nation's farming operations. Thank you.